Have you ever thought that a USA-based has earned $500 in a few months from his USA Shorts channel? And this is not just one channel. I have created 4-5 such channels, and all these channels are getting 100 subscribers in a short time because the system I use is so dangerous. Create content and earn money without much effort. And the interesting thing is that for this, you do not even need fluent English nor hours of hard work. You must be thinking how. Let me tell you the exact strategy by which I grew these channels and earned money. First of all, let us understand why USA-focused channels are so profitable. The reason is simple. In USA, RPM, i.e. revenue per 1,000 views, is much higher than in India. Where in India, the RPM of a good niche channel is between 20 to rupees. Whereas in USA, the RPM of a normal channel goes from 50 to 252 lakh 200. If we talk about finance or tech channels, then their RPM, it can be even higher. In simple terms, in India, if your long video gets 8,000 views, then you get up to 25 lakh rupees. Whereas in India, you may get only 1 or 2. Now for the trust factor, see this. The RPM of my short video is 1, and majority audience is from USA. Now after hearing this, many people will think that let's just create a USA-focused channel and start earning money. But things are not that easy. And this is one reason why many channels fail. But don't worry. I am going to tell you the whole strategy first. I will create a channel. Then I will make it viral. So don't miss the video. Now we are creating a channel. So obviously we will have to decide a niche first. You will find many good niches, but I will tell you the niche which I have chosen. The niche of my channel is space facts. This is a high engagement niche in USA. The audience there likes the facts of space and science a lot, and the good thing is that in this niche, we will not have to compete with the big creators of USA, which is a best niche for beginners like us. Now it comes to content creation. Many people think that creating content for the US does not mean that very high quality production is needed, but this is not necessary at all. The method I have adopted for my channels is quite simple. I play a game called Solar Smush. This game is available on the Play Store, and in this, the planet's galaxy can be made into simulator visuals. I make recordings of this game and post it after editing it a little. Now, first of all, open the game and click on Planet Smush from these two. Here, there are many weapons given below with which you can attack the planet. Choose any weapon and shoot at the planet and do a screen recording. If you do a screen recording by clicking on the I option here, the video will become even better. Now we have to edit the video. We will open CapCut and import our video. Now, whatever parts seem to be such that should be removed, trim them, do it, and keep the main part. Then we will fit it nicely in short size. Now we will watch the video a couple of times, and whatever captions come to mind, we will write them. Like after seeing this scene, the caption that comes to my mind is Earth Destruction. Whatever caption you find suitable, you can write that. After this, you can also put a song in the video which matches this video. For now, I will export it here and save the song as UTU-8. We have made the video public, and here you can see that this video has been published on June 29th. Now next day, I will post another video and will also show the performance of this video. How did guys perform our first video? It did not perform well. It got only 3 views. Out of which probably 2 views were mine. So I did not show you the performance of that video and directly recorded the second video and posted it. Now I will show you the performance of the second video. Literally, you will be shocked. This video has got 7.2K views, and it has not even been 24 hours since it was published. I have got a total of 75 subscribers from this video, and look at its audience retention rate, 104. The performance of the second video was great. Now like this, we will record some videos every day and post them daily. I will show you its overall performance again after a few days. It has been 20 to 25 days since I posted 2,000 short videos, and I have uploaded 15 to 20 shorts so far on our channel. The total number of subscribers has become 660, which is quite an impressive number. Let's check its analytics now. We have got a watch time of 464 hours, 638 subscribers, and total 94,000 views. I am sure that these numbers could have doubled if I had maintained consistency. You can see that the graph suddenly went down in the middle because during that time I had stopped uploading videos, but in the beginning, the graph was going so fast now. If you maintain consistency, then I am pretty sure that in 30 days, your channel will have at least 5,000 subscribers, because in this type of videos, the audience retention rate is always high. Let's end the video here, but I would like to tell you only one thing. Learning is very important, but more important than that is taking action. If this channel will become very big and you will think, I had subscribed in the beginning itself. Do it now for a proud moment, yeah.